Welcome back. We're still the Social Changency.
We're here to show you some posters from the Race Unity Poster Competition 2021.
Take it away, peeps.
This first poster is by Jenna at Year 7.
It says, "Why should our colour limit us? Race unity."
This poster was made by Ava, Nadia and Neve, and it says, "Unite as one together."
This poster is made by Arthika P. It has heaps of info about it.
So, the colour of my skin should not place a target on my back is one. Racism is deadlier than COVID is another strong message. Laundry is the only thing that should be separated is another one, another good one. We are all different colours of the same shade is another good one. Beauty has no skin tone, and love comes naturally, but hate is learned.
This poster was by Shrithi, and it says, "We are human, we are equal, we are one."
This poster is by Phoebe J. It says, "Colour doesn't matter, and if we fight as one."
This poster was made by Zoe W. And it says, "Everyone is equal. Stop the hate." It says, "Unite against racism, New Zealand government."
This poster is done by Sasha. It says, "We all belong to one human race."
This poster is made by Claudia. It says, "In union there is strength."
This poster was created by Wing, and it says, "Stop racism." This one's by Kate, and it says, "Race unity."
This one is by Alice, and it says, "Unity." Thank you for watching our video.
I hope you found some of these messages inspiring and think before you speak.
Race unity, hey! 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 Race unity.
This poster is by Shrithi.
Are you still recording me?
Yep. Woo!